Orleans is with us. Jim is calling. Hey, Jim, how are you?
Great, Dave. Thanks for taking my call. Hey, listen,
Sure.
I was calling for my sister, actually, who was recently, she contacted me about to see if I knew anything about a money merger account. And some friends of hers have convinced her that this is kind of a wise thing to do, and you can get out of debt and pay off your houses extremely quickly and so forth. But it sounds, aside from my own instincts, it sounds pretty poor, but I didn't have anything to base it on. But basically, they want you to get a
home equity line of credit, a HELOC, and then they want you to pay $3,500 for some software.
That's correct. And it sounds, like they tell you to pay your bills at a strategic time. Mm-hmm. But, aside from that, I don't really see any benefit why you couldn't do it on your own without losing the $3,500.
You're figured it out. That's the deal. The deal is that there is no magic software. And there's software, but it's not magic. And
Gotcha.
Software does not enable you to live on less than you make. What enables you to live on less than you make is you freaking spend less than you used to spend. And the problem is these MLMs are pushing these things. You go to their websites and it says stuff like, oh, pay off your house in 8 years with no change in lifestyle, which is a total lie. Because you have to change your lifestyle. If you make $4,000 a month and you want to put $1,000 on your house debt to pay your house off faster, you have to live on $3,000. If you've been spending more than $4,000 running up credit card debt, then you are going to have to change your lifestyle by $1,000 plus a month. There is no magic software that does that for you. You still have to do it. Now, does this system technically work? Yes. So we can't call it a scam in that sense. But should you instead get on a budget, live on less than you make, and pay down on your mortgage appropriately from your reduced lifestyle by yourself and save $3,500 and stay away from HELOCs, home equity lines of credit, to magically get you out of debt? And the problem I've got with it is, the biggest problem I have with it is the spirit under which they're selling it. And the spirit is the magic pill spirit.
Right.
Everybody's looking for a magic pill. If I can take a pill, I'll get out of debt. If I can take a pill, I'll get skinny. If I can take a pill, my marriage will be okay. And let me tell you, the best things in life require some work and some effort. And wealth building is one of those.
She's a worker. I can't fault her for that. I mean, she's self-employed and so forth. But
I'm talking about the effort towards. I'm not talking about the effort to make money. I'm talking about the effort to manage your life.
Right.
I can be a good man and a lousy husband. I still have to. Because I don't engage in the process of my relationships. And you've got to step up in those kinds of things, and that's true here. So she's got to step into this, and no, she doesn't need to do it. She just put the $3,500 on your debt.
That's what I tried to say, but I guess it's not very, because I abide by, your teachings and live by that, but it's, not very glamorous, I guess, perhaps, from her perspective.
Yeah, a few of these goobers are running around lying and say I've endorsed their thing, which is totally a lie. So
I had never heard you mention it, and either pro or con, but I couldn't imagine that it was going to be something that you'd be supportive of. So,
well, I'm certainly supportive of people getting out of debt.
Of course, certainly.
But if you just said, hey,
well, that's going to cost you $3,500, though.
Well, I mean, really, you can listen to the show for free.
Okay.
Thanks, Jim. Appreciate the call, man.